Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making these. A simple appetizer, three ingredients only, a cream cheese pastry, incredibly delicious. So let me walk you through this. So what I've got here are some Pty pastry sheets. And I'm going to cut these into about, I'd say, 2.5-inch strips. I'm using a pizza cutter, but you can use a knife. Lay it onto a flat surface, and I just kind of double this up. And we're going to give this a brush with some butter. Slice up some cream cheese, and you can use feta, but I'm using Philadelphia, which I really like. Lay our cream cheese over the edge here. And then we're just going to kind of fold this over into a triangle, something like this. And then just keep kind of folding it back and forth. Just kind of, triangle after triangle. Something like that. Then apply another layer of butter, just to seal it up. And I'm going to put this on a baking sheet. You can use parchment paper too. Okay, now we have our cheese pies done. I'm just going to brush the top with butter, which is going to make them nice and golden brown and crispy. I think these are going to be so good. Now we're going to slip these into a 375 degree Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius oven. After about 20 minutes, these are beautifully done. Just look at them, guys. Doesn't this look great? And there you have it, our 3-ingredient cheese pies. Okay, so let's give these a try. I love the creaminess, the butter, the pastry. For 3 ingredients, they're incredible. But you can spice these up whatever you like, but I like this. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great recipes over there. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you next time.